everyone, it's Ben here from Mariner Media, and in this video I just wanted to show you how to use lead forms properly and sort of different ways of using lead forms on Facebook and what they are and how they work. So a lead form is a different kind of ad than a normal one where you'd send someone straight from an ad across to a website, and you use a pixel to try and get them to convert or to fill in their details. This particular type of ad, the lead form, is basically an ad that's in the Facebook feed. And then when someone clicks on it, instead of sending them somewhere, it just opens up underneath with a form, basically. So they can fill in their details, they can do their mobile number, their name, their email address, their actual address. That you can choose what you put in there. And it's a really good way of growing email subscribers. Instead of sending them over to a website to sign up for your email list, losing people on the way, you can get them to sign up directly in the feed. So at the moment, I've got a campaign running for my pastry school, which is like an online baking platform for chefs and home bakers and that, doing the online courses. And at the moment, every person that fills in the form is 83p. So it's 83p per subscriber. And that's really good because normally if you're just sending people to a landing page, you'd be paying a little bit more than that. Sometimes like pounds, £1.50, depending on what you're doing. So obviously over a big amount of leads, that's quite a lot of money. Especially if you're doing like thousands and thousands of leads. So basically all it is this. So I've just said, get 12 months free, join the Online Pastry School club below. So the Online Pastry School club is kind of like, email list and inverted commas. And all we do is just run a email competition once a month that allows them to win 12 months free to the Online Pastry School. And obviously that costs us nothing because it's just online courses. So giving them something in exchange for putting their details in, it is really, really effective because people are like, oh, cool, I'll enter this competition. Obviously there's thousands of people on the email list. So, one every month wins. And then that leaves you obviously with loads and loads of extra people that are on the list that don't win. And what happens then is once they've filled in their details, they go into your email list, and then you can then start sending them, doing normal email marketing. So, I've got this. So when someone signs up here, they go straight into my MailChimp account and they're tagged. So they're tagged with, where they're from. So it's the opt-in form, and then they go through a certain process. So they get their welcome email, and then after a day they get another email saying all about the school and what it's all about and all about us. And then 2 days later they get a recipe. Then and they'll go through, and there's about 10 different emails there, and they'll go through all the different processes. And at the end they'll be sold a yearly membership. So they'll get a discount voucher for a yearly membership, and that's £50 they make from one of those. So if you can imagine 83p, as long as 1 in 60, 70 people convert, then, you're making a profit. And also then that's people on an email list you can remarket to in the future. So it's a really good way of getting people off of Facebook onto your email list, and you own that traffic as well. So like getting people off there onto an email list that you own, so you can obviously keep marketing to them. But then also, instead of just sending them straight to a webpage to try and buy something, it's like they're getting 10 emails from you automatically where they can learn about the company, and it we call warms them up. So it gets them to know all about you, why they would need it, what they want to do, all the courses you've got. And then by the time they get the 10th email, they're like super ready to sign up. And obviously with the discount code as well, that's another benefit of being on the email list. They get like discount code, but it's really profitable for us because, say even if 1 in 10, 1 in 20, 1 in 30 people sign up, then you're doubling money on the campaign spend, and then that's traffic you own for the future. So it's a really good way of utilizing lead forms to get people to opt in. And you can do anything with this. It could be a competition, it could be even it's like, get tips and advice, because that's what we do really on the email list. Just give them loads of tips and advice, loads of value, so that when they're watching these emails and they're ready to buy, then they're already there. They can go straight over it and just buy. And that kind of warms them up instead of sending them over. And for 83p, it's a really, really effective way of doing that and building out your audience. Because most of those people who, if you were to send them straight to a web page, they wouldn't buy, because it's just they don't know who you are. It's the first time they've seen it. They're like, oh, I'll come back to this later. But when you're just hitting their emails every day with, value, then most of them are going to be like, yeah, okay, I'll sign up for this. It's not too expensive. It's a really good way of, making money on the front end, and also taking traffic off of Facebook and put it onto your list. Because God forbid anything happens to Facebook, the same thing with like MySpace and was it like Bebo, all these different platforms that come up and go down. You don't want to rely completely on Facebook, and then when that goes, your business is gone. Like, you want to start pulling people out of Facebook and having your own email list of everyone that you kind of own, and that's like traffic that you can then send an email out to, and you can send them wherever you want, and you don't have to rely on Facebook. You don't have to pay again for it. With Facebook, obviously, with ads, you have to pay. You pay once, they buy, then you have to pay again, send them across again, then you have to pay again. But with email list, you've got them there for once. They're really good engaged customers, and then you just keep giving them value, and then whenever you need to send them to an offer, you can just direct that traffic in one direction. So it's a really, really good way of using lead forms. So give it a try and let us know how it goes.